So I got about maybe 20 minutes to work time. I am Jose, and this is my dog Chaplin. Welcome to the channel. I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee, listening to some good old jams. I'm about to go use the bathroom, then sign in. Or clock in, whatever you call it. It's nothing like having good old-fashioned coffee before work. We're not really allowed to bring stuff in, but it has to be closed like this, like a coffee mug, a soda bottle, no cans, no nothing that has an open top and you can't close it. So this here is good. Stuff it in my locker and get ready to go to work. But anyway, I hope you liked my last video. Walmart, that wasn't so cool. But anyway, I gotta go in there and use the number 2. Cut you guys short for right now. So, I was on Facebook earlier today, and I saw that somebody got fired because of their personal hygienes, and their spouse was belligerent and inebriated, causing a scene inside the lady's work. Nobody wants a customer or an employee's spouse to come in there and cause havoc. I don't know why most people think it's fun to do any type of absurd scenes in a restaurant that person works at. Now, I don't know. It seems that both are at fault. I'm not gonna be like, oh, this one did that, this one did that. It's a two-way party. If you can't control your husband or your wife or whoever it is, don't bring that person to work to wait for you at the end of the shift. If you know how that person is, unfortunately you gotta set boundaries. Be like, hey, look, this is my work. I don't want to get fired. I don't know. But she's been there for over 11 years at Cracker Barrel. Not at my location, but in the location in Indiana. Poor girl. She should have heed the warnings that the company was trying to tell her. At the end of this clip, I'm going to actually post that thing that I'm talking about. The company has every right to fire and not bring that person back. Every right. That's a business. That's not a playground. Or any type of sorts. But anyway, what I'm trying to get at, your co-workers are not your friends. They are acquaintance. I'm not saying you can and cannot make friends, but make sure you pick them wisely. But anyway, folks, I gotta go to work. Sitting in front, in front lot. Excuse you. But anyway, I'm gonna hop in, go in there, start my day, and I'll see you shortly. Today and tomorrow are my days off. Tuesday and Wednesday seems like they are, or should I say, Wednesday and Thursdays seems like my days off. It'd be fun to have the weekends off, but I'll take Wednesday and Thursday. I'm just sitting here. Waiting on Ken to fill out his applications. We're trying to get him a job and get him squared away so he can succeed in life. Join the working class and stuff like that. He's a good guy. If he works up to be comfortable on camera, I'll let him be on it. But for right now, it's his choice. I don't know what I'm gonna do later on today. I'm just gonna probably chill for a bit. One thing I do love, or did love, is having a swimming pool or somewhere to go swimming. There's no pools, no nothing in the area. I may Google the swimming holes or swimming pools, and I go from there. 'Cause that would be awesome to go swimming on my days off and have fun. 'Cause I would love to either get into a jacuzzi or something. I don't know. But anyway, I don't want to bore you with that topic. Later. Well, we are under a dust storm warning due to high velocity winds. That is not fire smoke. That's all from the dirt, the dust storm. I mean, you can't see nothing. Believe it or not, that little swing set right there was kicked up like that by the wind. That's pretty dang awesome. I think it's starting to clear up a little bit. Earlier it was way worse. You couldn't see nothing past the power lines. Yeah, it's definitely trying to clear up a little bit. Well, I was just walking around or driving around, and my buddy, the guy that we're helping out, Ken, he's going to get a haircut, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on over there, and what's in front of us is police helicopters. I can't zoom in because I have dual screen. Helicopter, sheriff unit, fire department. If I can get around this little barrier that's right there, we'll get over there. I don't care. I'm going to get over this if there's no water. Alright, well, I gotta put the phone away. I'll be back. Hi, what is this event called?
It's just like an awareness day for...
So we're at I have a YouTube volunteer, or YouTube followers, and I want them to know where I'm at and what these are.
This is a Bell 407. It's a medically equipped transport patients for highway accidents or hospital to hospital or just wherever. You can do everything a regular ambulance can do just in the air.
So how many times a day do you actually fly this thing?
Just depends, but on average once a day we go.
That's not bad. You say this is safe or more efficient than the paramedics, or?
it's faster. It can get from point to point faster. So it's time critical. We can get them there a little quicker than they can by ground. So.
Is there any way I can like take a little look around, or?
Yeah, absolutely.
So obviously that's the where the patient will sit, right?
That's a litter, yeah. That is, so they'll be lay down there.
So how many personnels are back here at?
We have a flight paramedic and a flight nurse, and then I'm the pilot. So they monitor and one patient at a time. No more than that.
And this is your Qualcomm and.
That's all communications, yeah. There, and then they got suction in here and oxygen and heart monitor, IV pump, everything they need to take care of somebody.
That's not bad. So, you just don't cater to, you cater to all 4 counties, or?
We go all over, it depends. We can, all of northern Arizona pretty much, whoever. We've got even called to California. It just depends who's available, when. If everybody else was out on the call, we could still respond to wherever. So, yeah,
wow.
But generally, we're off northern Arizona.
Man, that's a tight fit. Wow. You said this is harder to fly than a regular airplane?
I don't fly airplanes, but yeah, I think they are. You don't have rules that gauge.
Wow. Alright guys, we found a Arizona highway patrolman at the fair. If you don't want your video or facing a video, that's okay. I just pointed at the vehicle.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. His last name is Jay. But this is typically what you'll see in a cruiser, cop car, if you don't know. I've been in one of these a few times.
So we got a computer in there, we got a printer, radio, radar, a bunch of radios and microphones. Besides the radar unit, we have a VASCAR unit, and a lot of handcuffs.
Camera?
Rifle, we got a camera in there.
Where's your rifle at?
Rifle's in the other patrol car.
So, typical questions that most people might have with police cars. How fast do you guys go? Different agencies, different vehicles.
Yeah, we have policies that restrict our speeds, so we only go as fast as we need to go. So we usually patrol the speed limit, or maybe a little bit more than the speed limit. If we're going after speeders, we have to go the speed the speeders are going.
Typical question. Do you normally stop people for 5 over, or?
We can. We won't give tickets for 5 over. We'll usually give a warning for 5 over, but we're allowed to stop for 5 over.
Wow, didn't know that. That's pretty cool. So you you do the 4 counties or the whole northern?
Statewide.
Statewide?
We can go anywhere in the state, but we mainly patrol right here in Mojave County.
Nice to meet you, sir. I used to be on a volunteer fire department, but nothing this fancy. They have these sidebars just so people don't get on them. That's kind of obvious, but that's pretty cool. You got your gauges, driver's side axle or outlet and stuff. Your fire hoses, max. What I was just told, that helicopter right there, they're about to fly it here momentarily. For those that don't know what inside of a fire truck looks like, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, they're actually gearing up for the departure here. I think they're coaching. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if she's part of the show or not. But this aircraft is called the Guardian Air N420 Georgia Adam. So we'll be right back. This guy's doing a pre-check up on his beautiful flying machine. Alright. I'm thinking that he's getting a clearance. Gotta make sure that puppy flies safe. Alright, here we go. Look at them. They're about to get it started. Here you go. We got it. We got it going. We got the beacon going. We got the lights. Anybody that likes to fly or fly recreational toys, here goes your enthusiasm moment here. Your moment. Usually just takes about what, 15-20 minutes? Here they go. They're getting it going. Man, I wish you guys were here to feel, I mean, they're gonna, you know what I mean. Alright. Whoa, what am I doing? I'm sorry. I mean, feel the wind. I wish you were here to feel the wind. That would be suck. That would suck if that propeller fell off. Wow. It's about to go. Be right back when it decides to leave. He gave the signal.